Good morning, dear children. Do you know, some children follow good habits every morning. Some children follow bad habits without knowing their effect. Today, let us watch morning routine, step by step, slowly and carefully. The sun is rising in the sky. Soft, golden light fills the room. Birds are chirping sweetly, welcoming a new day. The girl opens her eyes early in the morning. She smiles gently. She stretches her arms and legs. She takes a deep breath and feels fresh and happy. Waking up early makes her feel active. Her mind feels calm. Her body feels ready for the day. On the other side, the boy is still sleeping. The alarm rings again and again. He wakes up very late. He feels lazy and angry. He turns to the other side, pulls the blanket over his head, and wants to sleep more. Waking up late makes him feel tired. His day starts with laziness. Remember, children, waking up early gives us energy. Waking up late makes us feel tired. After getting up from the bed, the girl looks at her room. She neatly makes her bed. She folds the blanket slowly. She places the pillow properly. Her room looks clean and beautiful. A clean room makes her feel peaceful. It makes her happy from inside. The boy gets up from his bed and walks away. The blanket is on the floor. The pillow is out of place. The bed is messy and untidy. A messy room makes the mind messy too. It is time to take sunlight. The girl goes near the window. She opens the window wide. Fresh air comes inside the room. She stands quietly and enjoys the warm sunlight. She feels healthy, fresh, and active. The boy stays inside the room. The curtains are closed. The room is dark. He misses the fresh air. He misses the sunlight. He still feels sleepy and dull. Now, after taking sunlight, the girl drinks a glass of water. She holds the glass carefully. She drinks the water slowly. The water refreshes her body from inside. Her body feels light and energetic. The boy walks past the table. He forgets to drink water. His body feels tired and dry. Remember, children,
Drinking water in the morning keeps our body healthy and strong.
now it is time to brush teeth. The girl goes to the bathroom. She puts toothpaste on her brush. She brushes her teeth slowly and properly. She cleans the front teeth. She cleans the back teeth. She brushes with care and patience. Her teeth become clean and strong. Her smile becomes bright. The boy runs past the bathroom. He skips brushing his teeth. He says, "I will do it later." But later never comes. Dirty teeth can cause problems. Clean teeth keep us healthy. Brushing teeth keeps our smile bright. So, children, remember these good habits every morning. Wake up early, make your bed, take sunlight, drink water, and brush your teeth properly. Good habits make good mornings, and good mornings make good days. The little girl washed her face carefully and enjoyed a fresh morning bath. When she finished, she felt clean, fresh, and full of energy. Her body felt light, and her heart felt happy. The boy, however, was late. He was in a hurry and in a bad mood. He avoided bathing and did not wash his face properly. He stayed dirty and sleepy, and his body felt tired. After getting clean, the girl chose neat and clean clothes. She wore them happily and felt comfortable and confident. The boy was still in a bad mood. Because he was late, he grabbed wrinkled clothes in a hurry. The clothes felt uncomfortable, and he felt unhappy all over again. Now it was time for prayer. The girls sat calmly. She joined her hands and thanked God for the new day. Her mind felt peaceful, and her heart felt warm. The boy skipped prayer. He was getting late and kept rushing around the house. He felt restless and uneasy. Prayer brings peace to the mind and calmness to the heart. Next came morning manners.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning, sweetie.
Good morning.
It's a beautiful day.
Her parents smiled back with love, and the house felt happy. The boy was in a hurry. Because he woke up late, he did not greet anyone. He rushed past his parents without a word. Soon, it was breakfast time, the most important meal of the day. The girl sat at the table calmly. She drank milk, ate fruits, and enjoyed warm, home-cooked food. She felt strong and active, ready to learn and play. The boy was already very late. In his hurry, he skipped breakfast or grabbed junk food quickly. Soon, he felt weak and sleepy. After breakfast, the girl put on her clean school uniform. She packed her school bag neatly and stood ready for school. She smiled at her parents and said,
Bye, Mom, Dad.
Bye, sweetie. Have a good day.
Her parents waved back with love and wished her a happy day. The boy rushed around the house. He quickly wore his clothes without checking them properly. He grabbed his bag and ran out in a hurry. He did not say goodbye to anyone. As the morning ended, the girl walked to school feeling cheerful and confident. The boy already felt tired, even before his day had begun. And that is when we learn an important lesson. Good habits create good mornings. Good mornings create good days. Bad habits create bad mornings. Bad mornings create bad days. So children, remember, stay clean, wear neat clothes, pray daily, eat healthy, and keep a calm mind. Choose good habits and let your life shine every day.
If you enjoyed watching the video, then give a like and subscribe to our channel.